Hello everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you how to make this gorgeous and super duper cute miniature handmade diary. Yes, this is the pocket diary and this is looking absolutely amazing. To open this you just need to rotate the thread like this. Also I will share how to make these quilling flowers for the decoration, and you just need to open the flap like this, and ta-da! Inside this I have added one small pencil to write notes, and here are the diary pages of different colors. This is very colorful diary and very useful for making small notes, to write any poem, to write any memories, and this is very handy so you can keep it in your pocket or in purse very easily. So without any further delay, let's start with the procedure. First I'm taking this purple cardstock which measures 6.4 by 22 centimeters, and using this tack punch machine I'm just punching one corner of this and it will look like this. Very nice and very crisp. Now from left side I have creased on 4.5 centimeters, then 6.5, 15.2 and 17.2 centimeters. Now I am folding all the creases and burnishing it very well using bone folder. Then it's time to punch the other side as well using same punch machine. So here I am making the closure for my diary and it will look like this. Then I'm decorating this flap from inside and outside using some pattern papers. So I have cut the pattern paper also using the same tack punch, aligning it with my base and just decorating this. Similarly, I have added pattern paper inside this and it will look like this. It's nice, sturdy and hard. And then I'm taking one more cardstock piece which measures 10 by 8.2 centimeters. From left side I have creased on 6.4 and 8.4 centimeters. Just fold the creases and burnish it very well. Then I'm just adding little glue on this last flap and sticking like this. So it will be the top cover for our diary. And we can simply close it like this. It's looking like a box cover. Then I'm just decorating all the sides using some pattern papers. Here I'm using dots and stripes pattern paper by Dress My Craft. I just love this paper pack so much. It has so many colors of polka dot and stripe designs into this paper pack. So this is done. Now I'm taking one more cardstock piece which measures 8 by 8 centimeters, and from top I have folded on 2 centimeters. So here I am making the pages for my diary. Similarly, I have already prepared some more pages, and in total I am using 20 pages for my today's diary. I have used different pastel color card sheets like pink, light blue, purple, beige. Now I am just going to stick all the pages with each other. So you just need to add glue on the folded flap and stick it with each other. Like this, and it will go inside the diary. So in the same way you have to add all the pages, and after adding all the pages it will look like this. Our diary is ready, nice and sturdy. Now I'm just decorating the front page using pattern paper piece and some border design cutout. Like this, and then here I have prepared this small pipe kind of shape using one piece of pattern paper strip. This is 10 mm strip, and I'm sticking it exactly in the center of the top panel so that we can slide our pencil or pen through this. And now it's time to adhere all the pages inside our base box. So just adding glue on the last flap and sticking it exactly in the center. And I'm just sliding one small cute purple pencil matching to my project, and it is done. Now to make the closure for my box diary, I'm just taking here light purple brad pin, just passing through this hole and opening the brad pin from backside to secure it. Similarly, I have added one more brad pin on another side. And to tie these 2 points, I am taking here one piece of embroidery thread. On both the ends of this thread I have added 8 mm pearl, and now just we need to wrap around this brad from both the sides to tie this box. You can use any closure technique, like you can use magnets, you can use ribbons, or you can use velcro dots. So it's all up to you how you want to close this. But I just love this pattern so much. Now to make some tiny flower decoration, I am taking half strip of light purple color in 3 mm, making one tight leaf shape. I am going to join total 5 petals together, and I will add half cut pearl in the center of the flower. the flower is ready. In the same way I have prepared one more. And now to make leaf, I am taking 1/4 strip of light green color and 1/4 strip of dark green color and making one bended leaf shape. So in total we need 4 bended leaf shapes. And also I have prepared 2 scrolls using same green colors. Now I'm taking back my diary, and for the front flap I'm just decorating the top and the bottom edge using this beautiful golden border cutout. This is the same border which I have added inside it using white cardstock. So you can use ribbons, you can use any zigzag scissor cuttings, anything which you have to decorate this. Now I'm just closing the diary and I'm going to start decorating the flap only from left side using my quilling patterns. So this is done, and on the right side I am adding the sentiment dream without fear. I have kept right side very simple so that it will be easier for us to open and close the diary by wrapping the thread around the brads. And this is done. So you can simply open it by rotating the thread. And ta-da, your super duper cute handmade little diary is ready. You can write poems, you can write small notes, you can do journaling, you can make it as a travel diary, or you can give this to any writer. And that's it for today. This is very compact and you can keep it in pockets or in small purses very easily. So my project is done for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos, and don't forget to click on bell icon for the latest updates and notifications. And please guys, do comment in the comment section. I'm waiting for it eagerly. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.